guys, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Picked up the brand new and the latest from Blue Parrot headset. So let's check it out, guys. You know, fresh pack unboxing. Hope you guys are doing great. And I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Really do. Here it is. Here it is, guys. The Blue Parrot. And I think this is the version 450xt. All right, let's check inside what we have. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, forgot, still got more tape here. All right. And more tape on this side. There we go. All right. Let's check it out, guys. There we go, guys. Built for life on the go. Well, there's the instructions. Plain and simple. Brand new on the pack. There we go, guys. Kind of dusty. Somebody wore that before or what? That's kind of weird. Still works. Anything, let's see if anything is in the bottom of this cardboard. Oh yeah, we should get a little charger for the car or the truck, I should say. Here's a USB and the other foam cushion for your ear and for the mic, make it more noise canceling. And here's a instruction manual, guys. Not too shabby. More book to read. Boy, this is like the warranty. But there you have it, guys. There's a brand new Blue Parrot 450xt. Let's get this out of the way. All right. Hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing. Not the best, but you know, just to show you guys what's in the box on the Blue Parrots. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, support the channel. I know it's a small channel, but I'm trying to get there. You guys have a good one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you, and keep on trucking.